I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to reduce the file size of a PDF. Compressing your PDF can enable easier sharing, your file will take up less storage space, it will load faster, and much more. And to be clear, PDFgear is safe, free, and super easy to use. I'll include a link you can use to download PDFgear in the description and pinned comment. Step 1. Download and install the PDFgear application on your computer if you don't have it already. I'll include a link you can use to get that software in the description and pinned comment. The PDFgear home screen opens. Step 2. Click All Tools in the list of options toward the top of this screen. A menu opens with all of the individual features available in PDFgear. Step 3. Click Compress PDF. A window opens where you can choose which PDF file you want to compress. Step 4. Click Add Files. Select the PDF file that you want to compress and then click Open. That PDF file will be added to the list of files that you want to compress. Step 5. Navigate to the compression level section and then choose the compression level you want to apply to this PDF. For example, if you want to reduce the size of this PDF as much as possible, choose High. Also, review the output path and make sure it's set to the location you want to output your compressed PDF to. Step 6. Click Compress when you're ready to move forward. You'll see a message letting you know that the conversion was successful. Click the folder icon associated with that file to open the folder containing your outputted compressed PDF file. This is where you'll see your PDF files. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.